So fun story, I almost forgot to film this video. So you are getting me in my house coat and jammies with no glam. Not the first time you've seen me with no glam, but usually I try a little harder than this. But today, Empty's video, yay! I have a lot of stuff in here. I don't think it's gonna be like 19 products, but I think it's gonna be a decent amount. So let's get started. This month was a candle heavy month. I actually have 3 of them. So the one that I actually finished today is the pineapple mango from Bath and Body Works. This is fresh pineapple juice, mango, and ripened raspberry. Just a very summery, fruity scent. I would say this is definitely a fruity gourmand, not a fruity fresh. It definitely gives that pineapple right off the top, and then a little more berry as it burns. So I enjoy that one. I've had that one before. One that I really loved, and like when I think of my future home, this is going to be like burning in every room, kind of. Although I want a spooky house, so I don't know that this gives spooky, but if I had a very like clean barndominium or like farmhouse chic house, this would be burning in every room. This is whipped honey vanilla, and it's exactly what it says it is. It's whipped honey and vanilla, and I'm a vanilla girl. I love vanilla so bad. This is honey drizzle, blooming neroli, and whipped vanilla bean. It is just so, it's just vanilla and honey. It's so sweet, and it's like that sweet clean, like almost like a little bit of skin in there as well. I love, 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 love the way that candle burned. And then one that we had kind of burning throughout the house. This was fresh cut lilacs. I actually got this for my mom for Mother's Day, and this one is tried and true lilac. Like you smell this, and it's not imitation. It's not that fake floral. This truly smells like fresh cut flowers. It's lilac bouquets, soft spring air, and dewy greens as the fragrance notes. And I mean, you get that. I think that green element is what really puts this one over the top in terms of like a true floral fragrance. So something that I actually did this month was go back to using a women's razor and like shaving cream. The Harry's razors weren't doing it for me anymore, and I don't know if it's just my skin has been more sensitive or they changed something with the razor. I'm not really sure, but I went back. I used the Venus, like my mom already had the handle, so she just gave me that, and I got the refills. I'm not sure which Venus this is, but it's got like 5 or 6 blades. It's super smooth. I'm still using hair removal cream on certain parts of my body just because they're more sensitive than others, but for like my legs and stuff, I've been using this. And in that same vein, I ended up using the Skintimate Skin Therapy Sensitive Skin Shaving Cream. I think this was really the game changer. Like I've used shaved oils, I use the body scrubs, I do the full systems, and truly I think my body just needs like something with a bit more like stop to friction, and something thicker like a shave cream versus a shave oil has been really helpful for me. So this is something I'm going to definitely keep using. Maybe not this one in general. I mean, there was nothing wrong with it, but just a shave like foam more than the oil and fancy stuff. Next, we have a fragrance. I finished off my Claire Lataffa body spray. This one it had like no staying power at all, so definitely something that I wouldn't repurchase. I think the actual perfume itself, like the more intense, like what was this one? This was a perfumed spray. I think I need like the actual perfume if I want to get the full effect. It smelled nice. It was very vanilla, very gourmand, very sweet, but yeah, not something that stayed a really long time. And then I used another one of the La Roche-Posay purifying cleansers. I just refilled my bottle with it, so I always have this basically in a box like once every 3 months. I think I have to like refill, which is not bad. And this cuts down on a lot of plastic. I don't have to rebuy a bottle and a pump every time. I just throw this right in the bottle that I have. Speaking of face cleanser, I finished a Peach and Lily Ginger Melt Oil Cleanser. If you're a heavy makeup girl, this is probably not for you. I thought this would work better for like my face paints and body paints and stuff, and it really didn't. I mean, you definitely need to use it as a double cleanse, but I did micellar, then this, then my La Roche-Posay, and I would still have some makeup on. So yeah, this I would say maybe if you're a lighter like skin tint girl, this is probably more up your alley, especially for how expensive it is. I was not impressed. Something else I used was the Skin Editor Imperfection Editing Leave-On AHA Peel Cream. This was really, really good. This is from BioElements. Was this little sample I got from the spa. When I put this on, it gave me that AHA tingle right off the bat, and it ate away so many blackheads and like congestion I had around here. So that's something that I would definitely get again. Now my spa doesn't carry that brand anymore, but I'm sure they have things that are similar. But that was really, really nice. I did like that, and it wasn't ultra heavy. Like when I woke up in the morning, my skin didn't feel sensitive. It just felt like nice and clean. Kind of an oddball thing that I have in here. I have these 4 little paint pots because I used up all the paint in them. I am a chronic craft supply saver. So these are from a paint by numbers that I did, and I felt I needed to save the paint for some other project. What was that project going to be? Lord knows. But I did end up using them, so I was really proud of myself for using my craft supplies. And the last 3 things, went through a fresh cut lilac wallflower. It came with the candle. Again, just super fresh, very nice. And then I went through a whole wasabi sha Q shampoo. I need to repurchase this from Lush. This has sea salt in it, and it made my scalp so clean and gave me such nice, not overwhelming volume, but it just made my hair like feel and look so nice. And what? Let me see, what are the main ingredients in here? Wasabi, horseradish, and caffeine shampoo helps thicken your hair. So yeah, there's like wasabi and horseradish in here. Sounds like such a weird combination, but oh my gosh, did it do wonders for my scalp. Kind of a boring thing. Finish some cotton ovals, and that's actually it. That's the end of the box. So a pretty fragrance heavy month. Not too many. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll count the paints as 11, 12, 13. So 13. It seems like 13 is kind of our baseline number that we're working with. Going into August, I feel like I'm definitely going to run through a lot of new things that I've picked up, especially like body care wise. So we'll see how that goes. But, you know, as always, let me know down below what you are using and if there's anything you think I should try. So that's it for me, and I will see you guys in the next one.